Welcome back to EsmeraleesCreations. This is the January 2024 Bargain Bead Box, and the theme of this month is a galaxy of gems, and the description reads as follows. Inspired by the Milky Way, this month's high-value collection includes an array of beautiful gemstone beads, each inspired by a different planet. Create your own solar system jewelry or combine the rich beauty of natural gemstones any way you desire. A high quality set of golden findings in celestial themes completes the collection.
Hi guys, we're back. We hope everything is going okay in the 2024. We start with the galaxy over here, and I hope all the planets align for everybody. And we're gonna start with number one.
Number one is four 13 by 17.5 millimeter 24 karat gold plated brass sunlinks.
And they are so pretty. Look at the cutout. It's very nice. Very, very nice. Very pretty. And you can use it for like a bracelet because they have a loop like on each side. So it's very, very nice. And number two is?
Number two is a 7-inch strand of 6 millimeter larvacite labradorite round beads.
They're beautiful. They look very dark on the screen, but they're actually very light. It's like a light gray and dark gray, but it's more light than dark. It is beautiful. And number three is?
Number three is a 7-inch strand of 8 millimeter top quality crackle glass beads.
Oh my God, they're so pretty. It's like crackle all the way, all the way. It's like, it's glass and they shadow it inside. It is so beautiful.
So this is meant to represent Venus, and the previous one was meant to represent Mercury.
And number four is?
Number four is a 7-inch strand of 8 millimeter lapis and chrysocolla round beads and are meant to represent Earth.
Beautiful. Yeah, it does have the earth colors, like the greenish and the blue. It's very, very pretty. And number five is?
Number five is a 7-inch strand of 8 millimeter carnelian round beads, and these are meant to represent Mars.
Stunning. It's an amber color. It is very pretty. Very, very pretty. Number six is?
Number six is a 7-inch strand of 10 millimeter striped agate beads, and these are meant to represent Jupiter.
Beautiful. Look at those designs. They are stunning. Look at that one. That one is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I love them. And number seven is?
Number seven is a 7-inch strand of 8 millimeter tiger skin jasper round beads, and these represent Saturn.
Wow. Very nice. These are like caramel color. This is like a caramel color. It is very pretty. It is so nice. You can do like the planet, but you can use it as a regular bracelet. And it's so pretty. And number eight is?
Number eight are six 10 millimeter 24 karat gold plated brass bead frames, and these are meant to represent Saturn's rings.
Nice. They're gold plated, so that's good. And they're beautiful. They're thick. Like the the side, if you see it sideways, they're a little bit thicker. And they're very, very nice. Very nice to have. And a number 9.
Number 9 is a 7-inch strand of 8 millimeter aqua quartz round beads, and it represents Uranus.
Very pretty. It is like aqua color with like a bluish and gray tone together. Very, very nice. Very pretty. It is so nice. And number 10 is,
Number 10 is a 7-inch strand of 8 millimeter sodalite round beads, and these represent Neptune.
look at that. The combination of color. It's like blue, but it sometimes look like purple, but they're like blue and gray. It is beautiful. And number 11 is,
Number 11 is a 15-inch strand of 3 millimeter labradorite or moonstone faceted bead, and these represent the moon or Pluto.
look at that combination. That is stunning. They have black dots, white, like some kind of rose, but very, very, very light rose, like pink. It's very, very pretty. And number 12 is,
Number 12 is a 7-inch strand of 4 millimeter lava stone beads, and these represent the asteroid belt.
they're very tiny. They're beautiful. You can see the way they're made. That's why they call lava, because they have like a little indentation in, like a little holes in it. It is very pretty. It's more into the gray and gold color. Very pretty. And number 13.
Number 13 is a 15-inch strand of 6 millimeter blue goldstone round beads, and these are meant to represent outer space.
This is so nice. Yes, it is very dark. It's black, black. And their shine. Look at that one. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but that one over there, it shines like the stars in the space. It's very pretty, very, very pretty, and it's good for for a necklace. And I think we're gonna try to make a necklace out of it. And number 14.
Number 14 is a sodalite and brass pendant.
Look at that pendant. It's like a galaxy over here, like representing the galaxy colors and the space colors is so beautiful. And number 15 is,
Number 15 is a 30 by 27 millimeter 18 karat gold plated stainless steel galaxy pendant.
wow, look at these. It is stunning. Both sides are beautiful. You can use it whatever size you want. Or if it flip, it will show very nice. Very, very pretty. And it's on the little heavy side. And number 16 is,
Number 16, 12 24 karat gold plated brass starling charm mix.
wow, look at that. They're very tiny and pretty. Well, they're different size though, but they're like carved on it, and it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. They're very delicate, very elegant. And number 17,
Number 17, two brass magnetic clasps with stainless steel charms.
I'm sorry. Okay, look at these. They're magnet. They stick together. They're so beautiful. I like that that you have actually two, and you can make some earrings out of it. It is so pretty. Very, very pretty. Although I don't know about the back side. The back side is like a little flatter than the front side, so I don't know if we can use it for earrings, but we see. Number 18.
Number 18, 54 millimeter spacer beads.
They are on the heavy side. They are really good metal, really good metal, and they're beautiful, beautiful. Number 19.
Number 19 is a 13-inch strand of 4 millimeter crystal faceted bicone beads in metallic blue iris.
Look at that. It's very metallic. It's very pretty. You guys know that I love Bargain Bead because you can use it for anything. You can put it in between the stones or use it by itself and make a nice bracelet or necklace. So pretty. And number 20.
Number 20 is 1 meter of 3.5 by 2.5 millimeter stainless steel knurled oval chain.
Look at that. Like always, it's a good amount. And you have to see the design. I don't know if you can see it, but the design on the chain, it is beautiful. This design is the same design that you will find here on the stars. Beautiful. Very beautiful.
And this is everything in the January 2024 Bargain Bead Box. Coming up are our newest subscribers, and then some of the jewelry we created using these same items. Don't forget to click the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you next time. Bye.